everybody. So I just heard some absolutely devastating news. Spring Awakening is closing on January 18th, 2009. I am devastated. I can't stop crying at all. I mean, I am like fresh out of tears here. I've had to get little eye drops and like drop them in my eye and stick onions like under my sleeve and put them up to my face just to keep the tears coming. That is terrible. It's been awful. An awful couple days here. Anyway, I also heard it was all George W. Bush's fault. Some girl on YouTube told me that. And I think I found out the whole story. Apparently he saw the show and he didn't like it, and him and Dick Cheney devised this whole crazy plan to destroy the United States economy and like bring down Broadway. Like it was a personal vendetta against this show. I don't know what the hell you did to him, guys, but he's pissed. Anyway, that's what I've heard. I'll update you when I hear more. I usually hear things. I'm trying to make light of the situation, but it's really difficult. It's been my lifelong dream to play Otto in the show, and knowing that will never happen, it's heartbreaking. And all these amazing, amazing, life-changing shows are closing. Legally Blonde, Xanadu, Legally Blonde. That's hard. I can't even finish this video. I gotta go cry some more. I'm gonna go buy some fake tears and cry my little heart out. Anyway, I guess what I'm trying to say is, fuck George W. Bush, and I love Legally Blonde.